For muscular endurance, I use circuit training predominantly to help her reach her target by putting in exercises that improve muscular endurance in a variety of muscles and muscle groups. This is why by week 6, Beth improved her results in the 1 minute squat, sit up, and press up test, which shows that all her targets were reached and her fitness is a lot better, so it'll help her football performance. My first strength is that I planned all of my exercises to be specific to my client's targets, which is important as it means that she'll be improving a lot faster and she will reach her goals much quicker than if I only put some exercises in the program that's specific to her targets. My next strength is that the warm-up and cool-downs were effective as I planned them to specifically prepare and cool down the same muscles that will be used in each activity. This means that my client is less likely to get injured due to something like a pulled muscle, and it reduces the chance of delayed onset of muscle soreness, so she'll be able to recover quickly. Another strength is that I planned alternatives and adaptations, which is extremely necessary as certain situations can mean that you're not able to get the facilities or equipment that you planned the activities around. This is why you need to have an alternate exercise, because if you don't, then the client will lose a day of training and it could cause reversibility if it occurs frequently. My first area for improvement is that some sessions could have been more progressive, like the circuit training, as some of the first exercises are quite hard, but it could tire my client out too quickly. I could change this by starting off with an easy exercise and then progress to high intensity exercises, so she can ease into it a bit better and to keep her motivation up, because if it starts off too hard, then she may think that she won't be able to finish the session. Another area for improvement is that the warm-ups could have had a bit more variation, such as using some skill-related activities, as it will make it less tedious for Beth, so that she'll be more motivated for the main activity. It will also improve her coordination, as it will get different muscle groups working together to perform movements. Lastly, I could have used more sport-specific exercises to help her football performance, as it would be a good way to improve both her fitness and her football skills. Also, by using football in the exercises, it will make it more fun for Beth, so she will put in more effort as she enjoys doing it, so she will work harder to improve. This could then lead to motivation in the other exercises, as she will find the sessions less tedious and will be more engaged in each activity.